Hi, my name is Bill Burns. I'm one of the FSRs providing HVAC technical support here at Wolff Brothers Supply. These short video tech tips are based on questions from you, the technicians in the field. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates and tips. Installing the discharge sensor kit can be a little challenging. This is mainly due to the number of configurations in the sampling tube. The install guide is pretty clear, but you must be aware of your model, whether it's horizontal or downflow, and your cabinet size. The number one tip I can give is to install this on a horizontal system before connecting to the ductwork. There are also knockouts covered with foil tape on the divider wall already in place and provided for you. So this brings us to the number one question we receive from you in the field, which is, where the heck do I plug in this sensor? Well, we're going to cover that right now. I'm going to install your discharge air sensor. A lot of the questions come into is, where do I plug this sensor into? Now, the end of the sensor is going to be plug 177, and if you look right in here is a bundle of wires. That's your jumper wire or your extension wire for your sensor. And if you look, you'll see right there, I don't know if you can see that, but it says PPF 177. That will plug into the end of your sensor. Now sometimes that will plug into the end of your sensor. Now sometimes this wiring harness is actually laying down here in the bottom, but a lot of times it's just wire tied right there. Now the connection on the other end, which is going to be PP77, which is this plug, is PPM77. That will work its way through this grommet right here, and it's going to, if you come around to the front, it is almost always in the combustion compartment. Now, we found it up top here. There's PPF77 right there. Now, a lot of times it is actually located down here. So check here, check here. That's going to conclude today's video. We thank you for watching. If you have any problems or any questions, feel free to call Ed Rundle in Medina, Tim Lane in Columbus, Corey Bosworth in Akron, or myself, Bill Burns, in Sandusky.